What if I told you there's a side hustle that requires almost zero investment, no creating your own products, and can be almost completely automated? Sound too good to be true? Well, stick around, because today we're diving deep into the world of AI-powered affiliate marketing. This isn't just a trend, it's a game changer for anyone looking to build a serious income stream online. And by the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint to get started. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's simple. You promote other people's products, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. The beauty of this model is that you don't have to deal with inventory, shipping, or customer service. You're essentially the middleman, connecting customers with products they need. But the real magic happens when you bring artificial intelligence into the mix. Traditionally, affiliate marketing required a ton of manual work, writing blog posts, crafting emails, creating social media content. It was a grind. But now, with AI tools like Chat, you can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time. This is what makes the business model so incredibly powerful and scalable. You can create more content, reach a wider audience, and ultimately make more money, all without burning yourself out. The best part, the initial investment is practically zero. You just need an internet connection and the willingness to learn. Alright, let's get into this step-by-step process. The first and most crucial step is choosing your niche. This is the topic you'll be creating content about. You want to pick something you're either passionate about or at least interested in, because you'll be talking about it a lot. Some of the most profitable niches right now are tech, especially AI tools themselves, online business and making money online, and the evergreen health and wellness space. The key is to pick a niche with plenty of products to promote and an audience that is actively looking for solutions. Don't overthink it at first. Just pick one that resonates with you. You can always pivot later. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to unleash the power of AI. This is where tools like Chat become your secret weapon. Your goal is to create valuable content that helps your audience. This could be blog posts, in-depth product reviews, comparison articles, or email newsletters. For example, if you chose the AI tools niche, you could ask Chat to write a blog post titled Top 5 AI Tools to Boost Your Productivity, or a detailed review of Jasper AI. The AI will generate a solid draft for you. Your job is to then edit it, add your personal touch, maybe some of your own experiences, and most importantly, sprinkle in your affiliate links. So, where do you get these magical affiliate links? There are tons of affiliate networks out there. Amazon Associates is a classic and a great place to start, especially for physical products. For digital products, software, and courses, you can look at platforms like ClickBank, ShareSale, or PartnerStack. Many companies, especially in the tech and AI space, have their own direct affiliate programs. Just Google the name of a product you like plus the word affiliate program. Once you're approved, you'll get a unique link that tracks all the sales that come from you. Now you have great content with your affiliate links embedded. What's next? You need to get eyeballs on it. You need to drive traffic. And this is where you can really leverage different platforms. You can start a YouTube channel and create video versions of your blog posts. You could take clips from those videos and turn them into YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or Instagram Reels. These short-form videos are amazing for reaching a massive audience quickly. You can also build an email list and use AI to help you write compelling email campaigns that promote different products to your subscribers over time. The strategy is to be everywhere your target audience is, providing value first. Let's talk about the exciting part, the income potential. When you're just starting out, a realistic goal is to aim for somewhere between $200 to $2,000 a month. This won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, it's very achievable within a few months. The real beauty of this model is its scalability. As you build up a library of content across different platforms, you create multiple streams of passive income. A video you made 6 months ago can still be getting views and generating affiliate sales today. A blog post can rank on Google and bring in traffic for yours. And here's a pro tip to take it to the next level: automation. You can use AI to generate the content, and then use scheduling tools like Buffer or Later to automatically post it across your social media channels. You can set up automated email sequences that go out to new subscribers. By systemizing your content creation and distribution, you can turn this side hustle into a semi-passive income machine that works for you, even when you are not actively working on it. You build the system once, and it continues to pay you. So there you have it, the complete blueprint to starting an AI-powered affiliate marketing business. It's a low-risk, high-reward model that's perfect for the digital age. It combines the proven success of affiliate marketing with the incredible efficiency of artificial intelligence if you're ready to put in the work and build a real, scalable online business. This is your chance. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any value from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to build your online empire. Drop a comment below and let me know which niche you're thinking of starting in. I'll see you in the next one.